Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I respect the commit of the e-commerce 2021 seminar. Today, allow me to present a scientific article entitled The Influence of Inquiry Learning Model and Scientific Attitude Toward Representing and Environmental Education Course. Background of the problem: globalization demands efficiency and competitiveness, which must be accompanied by an increase in the quality of human resources, include skill and intellectual staff, which is in line with Law No. 20 of 23. The law profit and understanding that education has an understanding that education has an important role to bring students to think actively and creatively, because in the future students must survive in time of full competition. One component of creative thinking, creative thinking, namely thinking divergent, which is useful for finding ideas and solutions so that students can survive in an era full of competition. Assessment of scientific attitude is very important so that it becomes a reference for capable and incapable in learning and competition in the era globalization too, so that it becomes a reference for capable and unable in learning and competition in the era globalization, so that they will be motivated to excel and have a strong commitment to achieve excellence and success. Problem: lecture do not provide creative thinking space when learning. 2. Learning with the lecture method is one of the habits that are difficult to change. 3. Low positive attitude cause low learning outcome. 5. Student independently is not optimal export. Student learning outcome are still on satisfactory with the average. Possible semester as follow: A 12%, B 23%, C 25%, D 12%, and E 26%. Based on description above, it can be concluded that it is necessary to conduct research to determine the effect of learning model and scientific attitude on divergent thinking skills. Reciting the problem, graded and 3 inquiry model, 2 environmental education subject, 3 increase divergent thinking skill and scientific attitude, 4 is the study experimental method. The target population in study were as PGSD, STKP 11 April Sumedang student for the 29 academic year. Determine the upper and lower group of the two classes above based on the result of the measurement of scientific attitude. Sampling 27% of students in the upper group for the group of students who have a high scientific attitude and 27 of the group of students who have one difference in PLH dependent thinking skill between students who follow the learning process with the guided learning model and students follow the learning process with the inquiry learning model. Based on the result, the calculation of data obtained by height of side 0,00, this means that sig 0,00 low 0,05. Then there is an influence between the guided inquiry learning model and the pre-inquiry learning model on the PLH divergent thinking ability. 2. The effect of the interaction between the inquiry learning model and scientific attitude on the presenting skill based on the research results obtained at height 0,02. This means that sig 0,02 less than 0,02 05. Then there is an interaction effect between learning model and scientific attitude on the ability to represent PLH. In the group of students with high scientific attitude, different in PLH representing ability between students who follow the learning process with the guided inquiry learning model and students who follow the learning process with the pre-inquiry learning model. This can be seen through the result of Porter testing async donut, where where itu less than table is 1,93, less than 4,11. The average flow of PLH representing skill so it can be said that there is no significant difference between the group using the guided learning model and the group using the pre-inquiry. In the low scientific attitude group, the difference in the presenting skill between students who follow the guided inquiry learning process and students who follow the learning process with the pre-inquiry learning model. Using further test the donut obtained the count 526 sampai 27. This means that hitung more than table is 5,27 more than 4,11. The conclusion is based on the result of testing and data analysis. Several conclusions were obtained, including 1. The guided inquiry and pre-inquiry learning model can affect the presenting skill in PLH course. 2. There is an interaction between the inquiry learning model and scientific attitudes toward the presenting skill. 3. In the group of students who have a high scientific attitude, the presenting ability of PLH between students who are taught using the guided learning model, the group does not have a significant difference with students who are taught using the pre-inquiry learning model. In the group of students who have a low scientific attitude, PLH representing ability between students who are taught using the guided learning model is higher than the thinking ability. And thank you. Assalamualaikum.